My wife just let me know that she has an error code on the Samsung dryer. It's an E9 error code. And the thing is, we have to get these clothes dry because my son is going to work tonight. So we have to get this dryer running. So we're going to look into it, try a couple things, and see if we can't get it going. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unplug the dryer and wait 5 minutes. Then we'll plug it back in and see if the error code goes away. Okay, it's been actually 10 minutes and I came back to plug in the dryer and we'll try it out. Okay, here we are. We're going to power it up. See what happens. It says filter check. That's gone out. Our E9 code is gone and we are able to use the dryer. There we go. It's fixed. If that didn't work, there's a couple other things that you can try to fix that code, and I'll go over those right now. Okay, first let me say I'm not a pro with dryers and washers, but I do okay. And one other thing, I'm working on an electric dryer today. This is not the same for a gas dryer. This is an electric dryer. So another issue you may be having with that E9 code is maybe your vent pipe that goes out the wall of your house, maybe it's clogged up, causing it to set off a sensor. You may also have lint buildup around your blower motor. Your blower motor's in here, and I have other videos. I have a video about changing the heating element, and pretty soon I'll have a video about changing the belt on the dryer drum. So in those videos, I have the dryer apart, and you can see what I'm talking about. The video I'm going to be doing about the dryer drum, I will point out all these parts of the dryer in that video. But anyways, your blower motor's right here, and it could be clogged up with dust and lint. I know mine are all good because I had this dryer apart recently, changing the heating element. Also could be your drive motor. The start switch contacts are closed, and I'll point that out in the videos as well. Just check all these things, but more than likely, like mine, your fix will be just as simple. Just unplug it for 5 minutes, it resets the system, and then plug it back in, and it will likely work unless those other problems do occur. My dryer kept working. Hey Poochie, dog wanted to be in the video, so yeah, our dryer kept working. It's still working today and everything is fine. So hopefully that helps you out as well. So again, thanks for watching the video and we'll see you on the next one.